Hi students, in this video I am going to give you some questions and answers related to food, health and hygiene chapter. I'll give you the text on the screen and in the description box as well, and even in comment section also as a first comment. I will pin it as a first comment. Students, you just look into the text and listen to my voice. I'll just read the question and I'll give you the answer. Students, first question. The variety of food that contains all the nutrients in right proportions is called balanced diet. The carbohydrates are energy giving food, but excess amount of carbohydrates cause obesity. Proteins are body building nutrients. Fourth question. The nutrients that provide heat and energy are fats. Fifth question. Oranges, grapes and carrots are rich source of roughages. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Communicable diseases. Students, you just try to understand what are communicable diseases first of all. Communicable diseases are the diseases which pass from one person to another, and these diseases are also called as contagious diseases. Here, communicable diseases, 7th question you see, first one in 7th question. Communicable diseases caused by bacteria are what? Cholera, typhoid. Second question in 7th one. Communicable diseases are caused by virus. Polio, AIDS, dengue fever. Third one in 7th. Communicable diseases caused by protozoa. Malaria, dysentery. Now let's move to 8th question. How can you prevent diseases from spreading? Your answer: houses should be disinfected. It should have good ventilation and open space. Drinking water should be clean and pure. The area around our house should be clean and neat. Water should not be stagnated around our house. 9th question. Name different nutrients present in food and describe at least one. Your answer: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, fats, water and roughage. Let us talk about roughages. It is the fiber content in our food make our digestion smooth and easy. Raw fruits and vegetables contain roughages. 10th question. Distinguish between communicable and non-communicable diseases. Your answer: communicable, the disease that spread from one person to another. Example: common cold, chicken pox. Non-communicable, the disease that cannot be passed from one person to another. Example: night blindness, beriberi, scurvy. 11th question. List 4 causes of communicable diseases. By not following personal cleanliness, by not covering mouth and nose while sneezing and coughing, by drinking polluted water, by not following proper drainage system. Third bit, 12th question. Here we have to find out odd one out. Here in this there are 4 words given. Among these 4 words, which one is different one? That you have to identify here. I read out the words and I will reveal the answer after reading. Okay, you just listen. Rice, wheat, orange, potato. Among these 4 words, which one is odd one? Let me give you a little explanation about these words. First, rice. Rice is rich carbohydrates, and in wheat also rich carbohydrates, and even in potato also rich carbohydrates. What about orange? It's rich roughages, water, vitamin C. Got it? Next, fast food, carbohydrates, proteins and minerals. Which one is odd one here? Yeah, minerals. Minerals are the nutrients. Proteins. Obviously, proteins also nutrients. Carbohydrates also nutrients. What about fast food? Fast food is only the food. So this is the odd one of all among these. Third one of 12th question. Beriberi, rickets, tuberculosis, goiter. Beriberi, it's a deficiency disease of vitamin B. Rickets, it's also deficiency disease of vitamin D. And goiter, it's a mineral deficiency disease. What is that? Iodine. But what about tuberculosis? It's a bacterial disease. It is caused by a pathogen called bacteria. The name of the bacteria and all you will study in your higher classes. But you just remember tuberculosis is a bacterial disease. Fourth one, rest, hygiene, exercise, late night sleep. Which one is odd one? Rest, it doesn't cause any disease. Hygiene also doesn't cause disease. Exercise also doesn't cause any disease. But late night sleep, late night sleeping causes a lot of diseases. Late night sleep in the sense we are not giving proper rest to our brain. So it causes disease. Okay. So this one, late night sleep, is odd one of the list of the words given here. Next, fifth one of 12th. Bacteria, tapeworm, protozoa, virus. Which one is odd one among all of these? Let's come from bacteria. Bacteria is a microorganism. Even protozoa also microorganism. Virus also microorganism. And what about the left one? Tapeworm. It's visible to our naked eye. It is present in our digestive system. Tapeworm is present in our digestive system. Okay. So students, I hope you all understood the answers for different questions of the chapter food, health and hygiene. And you can see the same text in the description box as well. And I will pin all of these answers, question and answers, in the comment section as a first comment. And also you can ask me your doubts in the comment section. Thank you.